I'm at Hollywood Studios. The challenge today is I'm gonna try to do 10 attractions and experiences in like 3 hours. Honestly, I don't know if I can do it. I got a later start than I wanted. I got a Genie Plus Lightning Lane for Slinky Dog way later than I wanted. I don't know, but we're gonna try and I'll take you along. Wish me luck. Rope dropped Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. About to get on now. Nothing can stop us now. That's one. A+. Now we're gonna go try to make the 9:30 a.m. Frozen sing-along. We're at Hollywood and Vine for breakfast. I'm gonna count breakfast with Mickey as number 3. I forgot that breakfast is not Mickey and Friends, so the experience number 3 that I had was Mickey with the Disney Junior characters, but still totally fun. This is a great character meal. I think it's often overlooked at Hollywood Studios. All right, the Olaf line is 5 minutes right now. I'm gonna go try to meet Olaf. Number 4. Olaf, could you say hi to my friends? Olaf was a hit. Now we're doing Potato Land. Number 5. We're with my dad, who's very confused about what Potato Land is. He asked me if it's where Mickey teaches you how to plant potatoes. Let's find out together. We made it to Potato Land.
Finally, lots of children.
We have made it to Batuu. I have a lightning lane for Millennium Falcon and for Rise of the Resistance. So if all works out, that'll be number 6 and 7.
Let's shoot the tree. Engineers, reel us close up. Shoot it. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
We're in Toy Story Land. It's as hot as the surface of the sun. We're going on Midway Mania. Let's go. We're about to get on and it stopped. This could waylay our plans.
Attention passengers, we're currently experiencing some technical difficulties. Please remain seated with your hands.
The lights are up. They moved us to the other side. All's good. All right, Slinky Dog time. I'm finally using my lightning lane that I made at 7 a.m. It's about 1 p.m. right now and I'm ready to get out of here. This is number 9. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay, I have a Swirling Saucers lightning lane for right now, but I'm skipping it. It's too hot. The pool is calling. It's 1 p.m. We did 9 attractions and experiences in 4 hours. Pretty good.